Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing your phone and app so AdventureSync can track steps reliably. Make sure Android and Pokémon GO are updated. You need Google Fit or a compatible fitness app installed. Once done, open Pokémon GO, tap the Poké Ball, then Settings to access AdventureSync. You're doing this because the game delegates background step tracking to system fitness services, which saves battery and lets distance count when the app isn't active. So start here to link those services. Now enable AdventureSync and grant the necessary permissions so steps flow between apps. In Settings, toggle AdventureSync on. When Android prompts, allow activity and location access. This is essential for background tracking. Next, open Google Fit or your fitness app to confirm Pokémon GO has permission to read activity data. Make sure step history looks accessible. If you skip granting either permission, AdventureSync won't record distance, so carefully accept the dialogues, and double-check the fitness app's finish by verifying AdventureSync is active and recording distance. You should see AdventureSync enabled in Settings, then walk a short distance, wait a few minutes, and check Google Fit and Pokémon GO for updated steps. If nothing appears, restart your phone, force close and reopen Pokémon GO, and recheck permissions. As a key troubleshooting tip, if syncing still fails, revoke then re-grant activity and location permissions and clear Pokémon GO cache. This often resets the connection and resolves most sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.